Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to change email address on Pinterest. Maybe you recently changed your email address or you just want to update your Pinterest account for security reasons. So today I am going to show you how to change email address on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on this account management option. Here, you can now see the current email address that you are using. Now, to change your email address, simply tap on this email section. In this window, you can now edit your email address. First, delete your current email, and after that, you can now type in your new email address. Once you have entered your new email address, tap on this Done button. Pinterest will then send a verification email to your new email address. Go to your email inbox and find the verification email from Pinterest. Open the email and tap on the verification link provided in the email. This will confirm that you are the owner of the new email address and will update your Pinterest account with the new email address. After that, you now have successfully changed your email address on Pinterest. Make sure to remember your new email address and use it to log into your Pinterest account in the future. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change email address on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change email address on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.